Okay, so through this demonstration, I want to share with you how easy it is to create a 2D drawing in SOLIDWORKS. We have the 3D model that it's here in our screen. It's been fully developed. All the relevant manufacturing information has been considered. All the precise dimensions have been added, and we're ready to simply create a 2D drawing from here. So I want to show you how that is accomplished in SOLIDWORKS. I will create a new drawing from this part, and immediately SOLIDWORKS prompts me to select the size of sheet that I need. In this case, I'll select the C size for my sheet, and I'm ready to start determining which are the views that I want to make part of this 2D drawing. With other CAD systems, you would have to remember the orientation in which you created your 3D model. In SOLIDWORKS, that's not the case. In fact, here on the right-hand side, we're going to be given an option of selecting from a variety of thumbnails that are also tagged with the relevant name of that view. For instance, in this case, I need to add a front view into my sheet, and doing so is as simple as dragging and dropping. Oftentimes you will find that one view is not sufficient for your drawing, so you're going to need to create some additional views. In this case, SOLIDWORKS has my back. If I start moving my cursor, it starts projecting the views accordingly. I can even create an isometric view, and just like that, we've made great progress. I'm going to move my views a little bit and move on in the process. Everybody has a different style of creating 2D drawings. For example, I love to show some color through my isometric views. Doing that is very simple. I'm going to select the view and then ask SOLIDWORKS to change the display style. We're ready to move on to adding dimensions. Why doing that from scratch if all of that information has been captured at the 3D model stage? Instead, what I'll do is I'll ask the software to go ahead and import those dimensions from the 3D model. Just with a simple click, the command goes ahead and brings those into my 2D drawing. As I can see, all my tolerance information has been brought over. If I want to customize the location of any of those dimensions to meet my liking, of course, I have the option of doing so. For example, I want to move this radius dimension. I'm going to move it into this particular view, and I want to ask also the software to show me the leader in a different location so that I can quickly see that I'm documenting that particular corner. Documenting my grease fitting port is going to be a little bit more challenging, so for that I'll need a section view. In SOLIDWORKS, that's very easy to do. I can simply sketch a section line here on my view, and the software takes care of the rest. It even adds a note that tags that and links that to my section line in my front view. If I want to take this one step farther, let's say through a detail view, all I have to do is sketch a circle right on top of the portion of my view that I want to create a detail view of. And SOLIDWORKS takes care of generating the new view as well as the annotation that links that to my original or my source view. Just like we did earlier, I need to add the dimensions. So I'll ask the software to once again go into the 3D model and bring those dimensions. Lastly, I'll customize the location of those dimensions until I'm satisfied with the positioning of them. As simple as that, we can generate a very thorough 2D drawing from a 3D model in SOLIDWORKS. Thank you for the opportunity of showing you how quickly that can be done.